Alright, so let's show another collection for the $25 mystery box. So first up we have the 7-Up Clementine from China. Japanese steak Cheetos. Some Ruffles All Dressed from Canada. And we got a couple of meltables here, so we're going to put it in a pouch to keep it cold. We're going to have some dairy milk buttons going in there. So here's one of those pouches, and we'll put some ice packs in it. Vanilla Hava from Greece. Euro Creme Block from Serbia. And a Snickers Pistachio from India. And last up we have Lakritz Toffee Flavored Licorice from Germany.